Right, so we got both the plugs out. I just hit my head on the bars. Got both the plugs out. We need to give it a big ass soak in some diesel at the minute to clear all the swarf out. Just concerned some of it's gone down into the big end, so give it a soak and a clean out. We're going to start making some replacement traps because the ones that Dragonfly had for sale were like 18 to 23 week lead time or something. So,
Go on, alright, another go.
Is that hard? Is it? Is that why you wrote hard on it?
No, this is the M1A. It's just about.
Alright, so we've got a crude, quick little sketch of what we're going to do. Make up some plugs that, because we haven't got a perfect sealing surface for the flange that's on the stock ones now.
I hate this song. Can you move along?
Yeah. A tune. Anyway, yeah, we're just going to have to guess what we do with the flange because the OD is a bit fucked and so is the sealing surface. So as long as we got an inch shaft, half inch worth of thread to engage, and then we'll make up the upper surface, probably with a slot head for now. That was some harder material than these ones, so we'll actually remove them. More lathe shots because...
I bet the ladies love it.
The what?
The ladies love it.
Do they? Yeah. I'm sure when I check our YouTube stats, it's 100% women do. Oh no, wait! It's literally 100% 65-year-old plus men.
See what you can get.
Right, cutting the 20 TPI thread on it.
How's that? Bit right. It's 20 CPI in it, so
yeah.
you thread on number 1.
Don't fuck it up. The saw cutting. Is it right?
Mm-hmm. This bit. I think I could probably thread on 20 TPI, but I can't do the maths in my head.
Just stick to it.
Alright, I didn't wind it in, did I?
Put the same cut as last time, mate.
Yeah, I did, yeah. Can you have a look at what thread depth I need? Let's go a bit deeper. These are also quite handy because the depth is set.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just do it with them.
So it's 50 thou we need to go, isn't it, on the gauge?
Yeah, or we can do it to a good fit on the...
Yeah. Yeah. Just under 50 thou.
I think we're getting close. We'll do that gauge.
Yeah. Gauge.
Yeah, probably one more pass. So I'll do one more and then a fine one to clean up the threads.
Yeah. Sounds good. Setting up a centre bore, but just when doing the threads, one of them's just cracked off a bit, so a little bit worried about having too small a wall thickness.
I might go with smaller, just to get it started.
Okay.
I don't want to chew it.
Yeah, so the first thread just cracked off a bit, so just a bit concerned that if we go too thin on this wall thickness, that they're going to split when we're putting them in or trying to take them out. So figure out what works.
Let's jam that.
So in typical fashion, it's not going smoothly.
Let's just jam the chuck up. Hold that.
So this is what we've got so far. We've just bored it out. We've kept the ball thickness about 2mm. As long as it's directly over the hole coming from the bottom end anyway, it should be fine to collect all the shit. And not get past the OD and seize that in. So yeah, we're just gonna sort the top flange out and figure out what we're gonna do in terms of a tool slot. Because I don't think we're gonna hex head it like the others. I say we just slot it.
Yeah, we can do that. Fine by me, mate.
First plug basically done. Just got to cut a slot and nicely done. It's a nice little piece, isn't it? I think that should go down flush once you actually thread it up. Nicely done, mate. Good job. Let's get some lunch and some booze and then we'll do the second one. So we just turned the second one up and just having a bit of trouble with it fitting. It's the same thread pitch and everything and the thread's fine. I've chased it through as well, but it's just
3 or 4 threads in it.
Just binds up. And it's got to be fine because the first one is looking mint. We've just fitted that nicely and ground it flush. And that will thread in here, but it won't go in as deep because of that upper sealing surface. But that'll get past those 4 threads. So it's got to be something on that one.
Yeah. Weird, isn't it?
So maybe we just have to chase those threads,
Yeah.
clean them up a bit.
Yeah, maybe.
But that one goes in really nice.
Yeah.
How nice is that?
Line it up back on the threads. Let's see if I can engage this. Yeah. Just back it out.
When it looks fine, it's chasing it, isn't it? Got both of them fitted. So it was just an issue with the upper thread. We just had to take the whole saw to it, it was just a bit mashed up. But yeah, 2 new plugs. Fit nicely, nice and flush. You managed to save that, mate. It's a good job, isn't it? So bottom end then is essentially done. We've got sludge traps replaced, small end bush replaced. Now we just need to balance it really and just see how far out it is. And then yeah, I can start putting it back together.
Nice. Just see it move. The surface is pretty good this side. At that, I would be
Happy with.
oh yeah. What's that? 7, 9.
9 now.
Between 7 and 9.
Okay.
I think that's not makes sense. You're between about 4 and 5 again.
Not the most accurate lathe and setup, so
No.
fuck it.
I think you'd be fine. With
Yeah, I'll run it. Fucking hell, the rest of it's not going to be that good, so. I would call that bottom end done.
Done.
Yeah.